Hey there, today I want to do a small review of my Velotric large rear basket. It was an accessory I bought for my Discover 2 and I've been really happy with it. Just wanted to share some thoughts and some close-ups of it for you today. Okay, so this is my Velotric large rear basket. I've owned it for about 5 months now and used it all summer. Just wanted to show you some close-ups of it. Show you an underside shot of it. It mounts right under here is where the bolts come through. Do some quick measurements of the tape. It's about 18 inches wide by 13 inches by about 6.5 inches deep is its dimensions. The insert is held in place with Velcro. And that's what it looks like without the insert in it. You can see the mounting bolts right there. And it is adjustable back and forth. I have it as far forward as I can and still not hit the seat. That's where I like it. But if you notice, it's kind of tight. That's just the way I have it. It will slide forward if you want. That's totally adjustable. So just give you an idea of some of the real world stuff I put in mine. I got this igloo cooler that I put in it. It holds our lunch items and drinks. Then next, I put my bike lock in. That's a large 5.5 pound kryptonite bike lock that I take with us. I have a review on that, and I'll add a link to that review video in the description so you can watch a review of that. It's a great bike lock. Big bang for the bucks. And then my everyday carry bag. This holds all my miscellaneous little stuff, and I actually have a review of what's in that bag too, and I'll put that video link in the description as well. Just a lot of miscellaneous stuff I take on bike rides. So that's kind of how I pack it out usually. Cooler, everyday carry, and a bike lock. And then just to kind of secure everything down, trying to do this one-handed, sorry. I'll throw some bungees across diagonally on it, like this. Hook those in the side there. That keeps everything in. It's worked for me all summer. It holds a lot of gear. Very strong. So I'll kind of take everything back out, let you take one more look at it. Take the lock out. Take this cooler out. So that's it. Large Velotric rear basket. Made out of aluminum. It has not rattled or moved. It's been very solid. Been really happy with that purchase. Some people think it's too big, but bike's crooked because it's on its kickstand, but they think it's too wide. I don't really care. When I'm sitting on the bike, it doesn't look too wide. It looks kind of goofy when nobody's sitting on the bike, but when you're sitting on the bike, it doesn't look as out of place. So that's it. Just wanted to share some close-ups, some measurements, some thoughts on my Velotric large rear e-bike basket. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been a help. If it has been, hit the like and subscribe to get notified of future videos. If you have any questions, comments, or tips of your own, leave them in the comments down below. Everybody would appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.